Custom one-key keyboard shortcuts in Outlook 2010 or 2013. I'm a Gmail junkie, and one of my favorite features is the keyboard shortcut A inside an email to archive the message. I can't remember if that was the default or if I set it to such a quick little key press, but by now it's totally ingrained in my memory. I'm setting up Outlook 2010 or 2013 for work and set up a similar quick step to archive, mark as read, and mark as complete any email. It would be great, except for keyboard shortcuts they only give the option for Ctrl+Shift+1 and other number key options. With a keyboard shortcut that convoluted, I'm not going to remember it and might as well just reach for my mouse. Is there any way to set custom keyboard shortcuts for Outlook 2010? I want one-key shortcuts, not 3 keys at once.
You can use Auto Hotkey to make any shortcut you want. It's very easy to learn. They have a good enough documentation. Note: use #if when active, #if when access to target Outlook or any other program specifically.
Open a new email. Right-click on the Quick Access toolbar and select Customize Quick Access toolbar. Under Choose Commands from, select All Commands. Select Signature and click the Add button. Click OK. If you had the default 5 items in your Quick Access toolbar, Signature will now be number 6. Access it by pressing Alt+6. Note that if you are in the calendar, then you need to release Alt before pressing 6.
Actually, OS X itself allows you to do this for any app for any menu item using the keyboard mouse system prefs pane. For details, see this URL. John.
I also thought that a shortcut where you have to press 3 keys at once was too difficult. My solution was also in Auto Hotkey. First, you set the title match mode to regex because then you can match the titles through a regular expression. Put the following near the top of your script. And here is the shortcut, which should only work in Outlook 2010. Note that I am using Ctrl+Shift+9. For Outlook 2013, the regex needs to be modified slightly.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.